This AECO or folding wagon claims to be a game changer for hauling just about anything, and today we're putting it to the test. Right out of the box, the no assembly required feature is a huge plus. It unfolds easily and feels surprisingly sturdy for its 15-pound weight. The manufacturer lists the dimensions as 28 inches deep, 18 inches wide, and 29 inches tall, which seems accurate. Folded down, it shrinks to a compact 8 inches thick, making storage a breeze. They claim it can hold up to 150 pounds, and while I didn't load it quite that much, it handled a hefty load of groceries and camping gear with no problem. The all-terrain wheels rolled smoothly over grass, pavement, and even some slightly rougher terrain. The adjustable handle is a nice touch, extending from 26 to 35.4 inches, and the rotating feature allows for easy maneuvering. The handle locking mechanism feels secure, preventing any accidental collapses or runaway cart situations. The removable fabric liner is a practical feature, making cleaning simple after hauling dirty items. One thing to note is the warning against transporting children, which is understandable given its intended use as a utility wagon. Overall, this wagon seems like a great option for anyone needing a portable and convenient way to haul gear for sporting events, concerts, trips to the park, or even just around the house. It's lightweight, easy to fold and store, and the durable construction suggests it will hold up well over time. Stay tuned for a long-term update after I've put it through more rigorous testing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.